Lukas here with FastCap. I'm going to show you the low profile disposal jack. Low profile disposal jack is a third-hand jack designed specifically for installing garbage disposals under sinks. It can be a huge hassle to do when you're having to hold the garbage disposal up tight while you tighten everything in, make sure the cords are in the right place. Extremely annoying to do. With this simple tool, it becomes an easy one-man job. Low profile disposal jack has a nice ergonomic pump handle. Pump it to lift. It can lift 15 pounds easily. If your garbage disposal is heavier than that, no problem. Just lift it up by hand and then pump it to the right height so that it's holding nice and tight. The disposal jack will hold up to 200 pounds, no problem. Disposal jack ranges from a low point of a staggering 4 inches and will go all the way up to 14 inches. 14 inches not high enough for you? No problem. Use a couple 2x4s under the bottom foot and you can get more than 14 inches, no problem. Disposal jack also has cutouts in the feet. So when you have it right side up, there will be a cutout facing away from you. That leaves a nice space for all the cords coming out of the disposal to sit and not be in the way while you're pumping the jack up nice and tight under the sink. The disposal jack is also designed so that it balances itself. So anywhere it is in its pump, it'll stand there, and even though it's kind of long and weirdly shaped, perfectly balanced, not going to flip over on you, makes the job super easy to do. Low profile disposal jack. Get one today, never struggle again to install a garbage disposal.